how to log into your Stash app after forgetting your password. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your stash.com, or you can get into the app version. Just make sure to get into the login page. So for that, if you're on the application, you can get that login button right in front of you. Tap on it, get into your login page. If you're on the website, tap on the login button on the top corner that you'll be able to see right there, and then you'll be able to get into the login page. So after you've done that, you will successfully be able to write in all of the credentials of your account. But in case if you have forgotten the password of your account, you will actually need to tap on the forgot password option that you'll be able to see under the password box. So first of all, write in your email address. When you tap on continue, there you'll be able to see that forgot password button. Tap on it, then a reset link will be sent to you. So all you need to do is simply open that password reset link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to reset your password. Once you successfully do that, come back to your login page, add in your new password, and like that, successfully log into your Stash app even after forgetting your password.